I know you all are struggling a lot with your social science project to make a flip book. Many of you are saying that, ma'am, we don't have the page curl option, which you have taught in the previous videos. Some are saying that they have the older version of Microsoft. So today I have brought to you a very easy solution to make a flip book by making a Word file, and then we'll use a link to convert that Word file into a flip book. So first thing that you require for that is to make a Word file. Now this Word file I have already made for you people. So the topic I have taken is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So I have done all the editing part, the borders I have put, the font whichever I want, the pictures whichever I want. First page, the title page should always have your name and the teacher's name. Clear? So don't forget that. I have prepared the whole presentation on a Word file. I again repeat, on the Word file I have made the presentation. So second page, the table of content. Third page is Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Then the climate and vegetation, wildlife and the people. So I hope I'm clear till here. Now once our Word file is ready, what we have to do, we have to go on File. In File we have the option Save, Save As. Now here we want to save it as Word file. So save wherever you want to save it. For example, I want to save it on desktop. So when we click on the location, it will ask the name of the file and the way you want to save. So here I'm choosing Save as PDF. Once I save, so now this is our PDF file which we have converted through Save As option. Some of the systems might not be having this option. So for that, I'll tell you another way of an online link through which you can directly convert your Word file into PDF. Click on the link, save your Word file there, you can drag and drop the file there, and it will be converted into PDF. I'll show you how it is done. Now this side, we have the option PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, but we want Word to PDF. So we'll click on this option, Word to PDF. And once we click here, it asks for select the Word file. So we can simply, either we can click here and go for the file. This data, we'll click convert to PDF. So it has been converted to PDF. You can see here download PDF, and it is being downloaded here. Wherever the downloads option has been set up in your system, your desktop, your laptop, so you may go there and you can retrieve your PDF, that Word to PDF converted file there. I hope I'm clear to everyone till here. So this is the final PDF file which we have obtained after converting our Word file into a PDF through any mode. One mode is through Save As option, Save As PDF. Second option is through the software ilovepdf.com. So through that software, we have converted our Word file into a PDF. Now moving to the last and final step, that is to convert this PDF into a flip book. So for that, we have to use another software. The link of that software I'll write down in the description box. So need not to worry. So so in this software, we are going to drag and drop, or we can choose a file. So for example, I'm choosing the option choose file. So I have chosen this file. The file name has come here. Everyone can see convert now. So when I press convert now, it is converting my PDF file into a flip book. So now you can see the processing going on. So the number of pages of our flip book will be represented here. So my flip book have total 8 pages. So then it will ask to, because it will not directly give it to you, it will ask for your email ID. So you can write down your email ID and then press the send button and you will get your flipbook on your email ID. Fine. Copy from flipbookpdf.net. You get your file and it looks like this. So when you click on it, you get in few seconds, you'll get your file. Just have a look. So here we have our final presentation of the flipbook, which is ready to be submitted to the teacher. You can see here we have the page curl on top corner and bottom corner, which means it's a flip book. We can flip the page from here or from the top corner. Moreover, we can even use these arrows. So when we press this arrow, we can turn the page. See the way the page has been turning. And if we use this curl, again we can turn the page. Similarly, we can turn it back also. So this is our final presentation. I hope you all liked it. Do share your comments. It really motivates me, children. So do write down how you felt making this flip book. Are you enjoying watching my videos? Please share your comments, because you know everyone likes to be motivated, appreciated. See, when you people do good work, you get excellent, wonderful toffees, chocolates, books from your teacher. Similarly, I don't need anything. I just want your comments, how you like. And yes, if you have learned something new through this whole process, do share your experiences. It will motivate me to work even harder to make better videos for you in the future. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.